Hi. Today we will see how to install Microsoft Office on your Windows computer for free, from the official Microsoft website. Let's begin. Open Google. And type Office Customization Tool. Hit Enter. Click this link called Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center. You will see such a page. Scroll down. And click this Create button. Such a page will open. In this Products and Releases section, select the 64-bit option. Or if your computer is based on 32-bit architecture, then click the 32-bit option. Then scroll down. Click this Office Suites list. And select the Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 Volume License option. Keep all these other options as they are. Scroll down. In this Update Channel option, keep these options as they are. Scroll down. In this Apps section, choose which apps you want to install. I just want Word, Excel, and PowerPoint apps. Then click Next. In the Languages section, click this Select Primary Language list. Select your desired language. I am selecting the English United States. Then scroll down. Click Next. In this Installation Options section, make sure this Office Content Delivery Network (CDN) option is selected. Scroll down. Keep these options as they are. Click Next. In this Update and Upgrade Options section, make sure this Office Content Delivery Network (CDN) option is selected. Scroll down. Turn off this Uninstall any MSI versions of Office, including Visio and Project option. Scroll down. Click Next. In the Licensing and Activation section, select the KMS option. Scroll down. Click Next. In the General section, don't do anything. Scroll down. And click Next. In the Application Preferences section, don't do anything. Scroll down. And click Finish. Then click this Export button. Select this Office Open XML Formats option. Click OK. Select this I accept the terms checkbox. And click Export. Then, such an XML format file will be downloaded. Go to your desktop. And create a folder called MS Office. Copy and paste the file in this folder which we just downloaded. Now open Google again. And search Office Deployment Tool. Hit Enter. Click this link called Download Office Deployment Tool from the official. Such a page will appear. Click this Download button. Such an .exe file will be downloaded. Locate this file wherever you have downloaded it. Mostly it will be in the Download folder. Double-click it. Such a window will appear. Click this checkbox. And click Continue. After a while, such files will be generated. Copy this setup file. And paste this file into our MS Office folder. Now, open Google again. Search Office Deployment Tool 2021. Hit Enter. Click this link called Deploy Office LTSC 2021. Such a page will open. Scroll down until you see this section called Install Office LTSC 2021 by using the Office Deployment Tool. We are going to use this command somewhere later. Keep this page open in the browser. Now click the search box in the Windows and type CMD. A command prompt option will appear. Right-click it and click this Run as Administrator option. Such a command prompt will open. By default, it is pointed at the System32 folder. We want to point it to our MS Office folder. To do that, open the MS Office folder. Click here. You will see the full address of this folder. Copy it. Now go to the command prompt again. Type the word CD and then give a space. And then paste the folder path that we had just copied. Hit enter. Now the command prompt is pointing toward our folder. Now open that web page and copy this command and paste it over here and hit enter. Microsoft Office installation will begin. Let it complete. Click Next whenever needed. Once the installation is complete, Microsoft Office will be ready to use for free, without any activation key. If I right-click on my desktop and click New, I can see MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and MS Word options listed, and I can use them for free now. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.